I gonna take a seminar on topic IPv6. IPv6 is a latest Internet protocol developed to overcome IPv4. IPv4 is a Internet protocol where it's only access 32 bits. Right, we are using in laptops and mobiles, right? Uh, then IPv6 is will contain 120 inputs, like it will be used in supercomputers and AI generators and in servers too. Uh, then IPv6 contains 8 compartments, 8 header compartments.
Calling us frames. Then the IP repos, how many content? IP repo address. IPv4.
Why IPv6?
IPv4, how many fastest content? Huh? How would you be your IP address? IPv4 address. Huh? Chunks of 4. And each part will separated by dot. The wall is as? Huh? PS. So we have some other words to mention the country of the origin. What we call it as? Huh? Orthoxy ball.
Why IPv6 was introduced? IPv4 provides 4.5 billion addresses, but IPv6 will produce you 14 unidecimal addresses. And IPv6 is introduced for the rapid growth of smartphone, IoT devices, and cloud computing. This smartphone developments also needs high bits of data. In IPv4, we only have 30 gigabits, but in I said below, then IPv6 contains 130 bits, right? So it can be easily accessed to smartphones. So in cloud computing is based on a server and its server storage. To access the server and for faster output, these IPv6. Types of IPv6 are here you guess. In IPv6 address, in the IP to IP, IP address, we are sharing a data through one device to another device, right? Every single device has its own IP address. In unicast, it will be shared to one device to another device connected in same network. In multicast, one devices can share 5 to more than one devices in a same network. And in any case, real way, like how many of your phones contain NFC features? In Apple, you can, if we keep hereby two device here by there, it will be connected in NFC, and if we call it as ATHASNI, right? Which is a NFC model. In NFC, it will be connected nearby device with its IP address, and it will be share the data. Then advantages of IPs. Huge address space. I sent before, right? That will be on IPv4. That will be only 14 gig, but here 340 unit decibels. It's 12 times bigger than the IPv4. No NAT is required. NAT means the network address translation. Basing security IPsec. Better routing efficiency. In IPv6, it will be more efficient in routers. Router is a device which connects one or more devices with the network. We used in our labs too. Auto configuration. For auto configuration, we use status address, auto address computation. So guys, today we're going to see about ICMB. ICMB is called as Internet Control Reset Protocol. Why it shouldn't network because maybe in the chat set are so set up with
in this message has ability to like IP address, code, data, and the packets are all things something of this one. So what this ICMP does is it does not contain the message, but it cracks the data which sets to the destination amount. So that's the almost the ICMP. Yeah. The first of all, ICMP is for you for error reporting and network diagrams, please. Error reporting is the safety. A message is sent over a network and if it's not reaching the destination, they passes the error with the user says network unreachable icon. It shows connection. Network diagram is the sense it gives the definition of the network. Or the center has this IP addresses and receiver does not have that IP address. So the abyss can come there. Then system is complicated core network problems. Like if the setter has IP address, receiver does not have any IP address. It's a the destination is continuity. For vital, if we define it, the key point is more to this. The ICMP does not carry any data. It's only for error recording. That's it. So, key copies there are two ways. There are reporting message and query message. There are reporting message display as for a destination and the if user sends a message one device for another, since the destination device does not have any of this IP address or phone or it throws the error like destination and middle. This the second error is time exceeded. Is the setting type has more than the setting error type throws the time exceeded error and redirect. Is the phone or the then said a receiver is not reachable when it throws redirecting to the stems in the then parameter problem. Parameter is the problem is set. The message each packet has some parameters to send or receive. So when the messages does not read the parameter, throws the parameter. Very question. As we know that in Google we can use ping kind of thing like ping google.com. When you type ping google.com, source the error request echo request. Echo request in the sense it prints the data. Can be some or it cannot be this to be to this variable. Because something is very same we have in this request. As I said, ping. Ping this is it this when you Google ping it shows echo request and echo reply. Echo request is it when you type ping.com, it views the request to the google.com as the ping, and if the reply we get any play, the ping doesn't current comment and the sender and receiver will be reached being current as well. And check force reliability, reachability. That's it. That's why I say the echo reply as the sender and receiver as current. The SH has the possibility to reach the receiver. Message around reply. This is the time pair. It calculated from setting to the receiving. This is the whole time is known as message round trip time. The command is like ping goal back. This is the command. Trace who this domain. Used to do user's time exceeded. Like then I just said the practice a message is time exceeded or it doesn't reach the destination and exceeded the way the trace route the trace route application was done. This the package structure. The dot in the ICMP header police